Zhongshan Jiuguang Technology Company Limited, with many years' experiences, located in Guangdong Province, where is a convenient place for transportation. We are specializing in UTV accessories, LED light bar, laser light bar, LED driving light, laser driving light, LED work light, motorcycle auxiliary light, especially for the new technical advanced items. We and our associated factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters with more than 200 employees who can generate $5 million of production capacity per month, and had hardware workshop, mold workshop, assembly workshop, die casting workshop, injection workshop, SMT workshop, and excellent R&D team. Nowadays, we devote ourselves to developing automotive lights and accessories and high-tech products, striving to offer the best ODM and OEM service to our customers. Now there are 13 production lines. In future, we are about to build up the automatic lines for higher effective capability. We are aimed to be the excellent off-road LED lights supplier in auto lighting industry and provide the world with the most professional LED lights. Get safer driving, better life. Welcome customers from the world to visit our company. We hope to establish long-term and close cooperative relationships with all our customers and grow together. We will be your best strategic partner in China due to its design capability, strong production capability, standard management system, and outstanding service.